Hey there, if you're wondering what is the best programming language to learn in 2024 is, you are not alone. With the tech evolving so fast, choosing the right programming language can you set for the future success. So let's dive in. In 2024, some of the hottest programming language include Python, JavaScript, Go, Rust, Kotlin. Each has its own strength and weaknesses, but if I had to pick up one for the beginners or even for mid career professionals looking to pivot, I would go with Python. Why Python? It's a beginner friendly, highly versatile, and widely used in fields like data science, web development, and even AI. Plus, there is a huge community and tons of resources which makes it easier to learn and get support. So, how would you start? So, once you go to the python.org, uh, you will get the download link. Make sure you download the Python for your particular operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. And Linux has various variants also, but doesn't matter. Um, now, once you download and install the software into your system, so you start with the basics first. Uh, Learn variables, loop, functions, object oriented aspects of Python like classes. Learn about the lambda functions, data structure, list, tuples, dictionary, etc. And the next thing is, you can use the platforms like Code Academy, Coursera, or even YouTube for tutorials to get free content. There are various free contents available on the YouTube as well, and also on Coursera and Code Academy. Work on the mini projects, try to create a calculator, to-do list, or even a small game. Then explore, number three, explore the choose specialized path like data science. Learn a deep dive into the pandas, matplotlib, and various other libraries which are available. If you are interested in web development, then try Django and Flask. Finally, join the community like GitHub, Reddit, or even the local coding meetups. And especially the GitHub Copilot will be very useful with the VS Code if you're using VS Code stand for Visual Studio Code. So that's how you can grow up your Python knowledge. Remember, the best language to learn is one that aligns with your goals and is in demand in the industry. So start small and stay consistent and keep building your knowledge around it. You will be amazed at, at how fast you can grow. If you find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and career advices. Let's grow together. Thank you.